Imagine a car that wakes up smarter every morning, gets faster without visiting a workshop, and quietly redefines what normal driving feels like. That's exactly what the 2026 Tesla Model Y aims to do. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why this electric SUV continues to dominate conversations all over the world. At first glance, the 2026 Model Y still carries that clean, futuristic Tesla DNA, but look closer and you'll notice the refinements. The shape remains smooth and aerodynamic, designed to cut through air with minimal resistance, which directly helps efficiency and range. Subtle tweaks to the front and rear give it a more confident stance, while improved panel fit and paint quality make it feel more premium than earlier versions. The flush door handles, panoramic glass roof, and minimalist lighting all work together to create a design that feels modern without trying too hard. Step inside, and the first thing you'll notice is how open and airy the cabin feels. The massive glass roof floods the interior with natural light, making even long drives feel less tiring. Tesla sticks to its signature minimalism here, with almost everything controlled through the large central touchscreen. There are very few physical buttons, which might feel strange at first, but once you get used to it, the system becomes intuitive. The materials in the 2026 model feel more refined, with improved seat comfort, better sound insulation, and higher quality finishes throughout the cabin. Space is one of the Model Y's strongest advantages. This is a compact SUV on the outside, but inside it feels surprisingly roomy. 5 adults can sit comfortably, and there's still plenty of headroom thanks to the flat floor and smart packaging. The rear seats fold down to create a massive cargo area, perfect for road trips, shopping runs, or even light moving duties. Add the front trunk or frunk, and you get storage options that many gasoline SUVs simply can't match. Now, let's talk about performance, because this is where the Tesla Model Y really surprises people. Even in its standard versions, acceleration is quick and effortless. Press the accelerator, and the car moves instantly with no gear shifts and no engine noise. Higher performance variants deliver sports car-like acceleration that can genuinely shock first-time passengers. The 2026 model benefits from improved motor efficiency and refined suspension tuning, making it not just fast in a straight line, but also more stable and comfortable on highways and city roads alike. Handling feels confident and planted, largely thanks to the low center of gravity created by the battery pack under the floor. This makes corners feel more controlled than you'd expect from an SUV. Steering is responsive, okay? And the ride quality strikes a better balance between comfort and sportiness compared to earlier models. Whether you're commuting daily or heading out on a long road trip, the Model Y feels composed and easy to drive. Range anxiety is a big concern for many people considering an electric vehicle, and Tesla continues to address this head-on. The 2026 Model Y offers impressive range figures, making it suitable for both daily driving and longer journeys. Real-world range depends on driving style, weather, and road conditions, but for most users, charging a few times a week or even less will be enough. Tesla's Supercharger network remains one of the biggest advantages here, offering fast, reliable charging in many regions, which makes long-distance travel far less stressful than with many other electric cars. Charging at home is where the Model Y truly shines for everyday life. Plug it in overnight, and you wake up to a full battery every morning, just like charging your phone. No more trips to gas stations, no waiting in lines, and no fluctuating fuel prices. Over time, this convenience alone becomes a major selling point for many owners. Technology is at the heart of the Tesla experience, and the 2026 Model Y pushes this even further. The central touchscreen controls navigation, media, climate, vehicle settings, and more. The interface is smooth, fast, and constantly improving through over-the-air updates. That means your car can gain new features, better performance, and even improve safety without ever visiting a service center. Few automakers can match this level of software integration. Driver assistance features are another major highlight. Tesla's advanced safety systems help with lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, traffic-aware driving, making long journeys less tiring. While the car still requires driver attention, these systems can significantly reduce stress in heavy traffic or on highways. Tesla continues to refine these features through software updates, which means the car you buy today can feel more capable a year from now. Safety has always been a priority for Tesla, and the Model Y consistently performs well in crash tests. The strong body structure, low rollover risk, and advanced active safety features work together to protect passengers. For families, this peace of mind is a huge advantage, especially when combined with the practicality and space the Model Y offers. One of the most unique selling points of the 2026 Tesla Model Y is how it blends performance, efficiency, technology, and practicality into a single package. It's not just an electric car, and it's not just an SUV. It's a smart vehicle that adapts to your lifestyle. Whether you care about speed, savings on fuel, environmental impact, or simply driving the latest technology, the Model Y checks a lot of boxes. Of course, it's not perfect. The minimalist interior isn't for everyone, and relying heavily on a touchscreen can take time to adjust to. But for many drivers, the benefits far outweigh these compromises. The 2026 Tesla Model Y continues to push boundaries, proving that electric cars aren't the future anymore. They're the present. So, if you're looking for a vehicle that feels fast, smart, spacious, and surprisingly practical, while also being cleaner and cheaper to run in the long term, the Tesla Model Y deserves your attention. And the real question isn't whether electric cars are ready, it's whether you are.